Preach, girl. Be wise, compromise.
Compromise and be wise.
Let them think you're on the side, be non-committal.
I will not bow my head to the men I despise.
You won't have to bow your head just a little. Why not learn to put your faith and your reliance on an obvious and simple fact of science? Actually, theater in this case, but you know. Hear me out. A crazy planet full of crazy people is somersaulting all around the sky. And every time it turns another somersault, another day goes by. And there's no way to stop it, no, there's no way to stop it. And I know, though I cannot tell you why, that as long as I'm living, just as long as I'm living, there'll be nothing else as wonderful as theater. Yes, no?
Not really, no.
Okay, Bianca can explain better, okay? When somersaulting at a cockeyed angle, we make a cockeyed circle around the sun. And when we circle back to where we started from, another gear has run. Yes, queen! And there's no way to stop it, no, there's no way to stop it if the earth wants to roll around the sun. You're a fool if you worry, you're a fool if you worry over anything is little number one.
That's you
That's I,
and me, and that all-absorbing character.
that fascinating creature, that super special feature, me.
So every star on every whirling planet and every constellation in the sky revolves around the center of the universe, that lovely thing called